Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna talk to you about repairing a Samsung UE40C6005RWXXE. When I got the TV, it was covered in dirt. A bird had took a dump on it as well, so it didn't look too good. Here's more of the dirt and grime. And the issue with this TV was you can power the TV on, but when the TV started up it was a black, you can see the black screen with only the backlight glowing, like a black screen with the backlight glowing. So you couldn't do anything. It wouldn't and no menus or nothing like that. So what I did was I took it apart. You see the connectors here. I spray them with electronic cleaning, and this flat ribbon gold cable I took a Q-tip and rub the contacts with electronic cleaning as well. So all the boards connectors were clean, like over here, over there, and there was like a flat ribbon cable going down to a board near the stand as well. And after cleaning it up, it looks pretty nice. So it seems to be some bird poo still on the back. I have to clean that up, but overall it looks much better. And as you can see, it runs. I've been testing this for about 2 days, so pretty nice and easy repair. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.